Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to use Bolt and order a Bolt ride. So let us get in. The first thing you want to do is log into your app on your mobile device, be that a Android, or if you're using an iPhone, same thing. So we're going to go in over here at the bottom and it says where to. We're going to tap on that. Now it's very easy. You're going to enter your location. So what it'll do is it'll give you your current location up at the top there, and over here you want to now enter in your destination. So let us start typing, and as you start typing, it'll give you some suggestions. We're going to go and select this over here. You can see now that it has now planned your route, and if you have any promotions, it is now applying those promotions. You can see over here that you can select your payment method. You can add a debit or a credit card, and then you can set up a work profile. For now, we can just go ahead now and see that there are a bunch of different types of bolts that you can order. So just the regular bolt. Then you can also order a sedan, a hatch, a premium, an XL, and the woman only vehicle. So you can see also it can tell you how many people are able to fit into that vehicle, so you know if you are more than one person, if you are 4 people or 6 people, and so it goes. Once you're done, you're going to tap on select bolt, and you can then schedule the time of pickup, and you can reserve a ride or you can have it done immediately, and then you're going to go ahead and make the payment if it is a credit or a debit card. If you are paying cash, then you will pay on the arrival or when you leave your Bolt, when you get to your destination. There we go. You have now successfully ordered a Bolt ride. We will see you next time, ladies and gentlemen. Travel safely. Bye bye.